Hello everyone! In today's video, I will share with you 50 uncommon and best boys' names along with their meanings. So let's check out the names. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 1. Name Hamza, meaning lion, strong. 2. Name Adam, meaning first man, human. 3. Name Omar, meaning long-lived, flourishing. 4. Name Ali, meaning exalted, noble. 5. Name Yusuf, meaning God increases, Joseph. 6. Name Ibrahim, meaning father of many, Abraham. 7. Name Khalid, meaning eternal, immortal. 8. Name Zaid, meaning growth, abundance. 9. Name Tariq, meaning morning star, conqueror. 10. Name Saif, meaning sword. 11. Name Ahmad, meaning most praised. 12. Name Hassan, meaning handsome, good. 13. Name Hussein, meaning small beauty, good. 14. Name Bilal, meaning moisture, water. 15. Name Anas, meaning friendly, companion. 16. Name Faris, meaning knight, horseman. 17. Name Rami, meaning archer, thrower. 18. Name Sami, meaning elevated, exalted. 19. Name Nasir, meaning helper, supporter. 20. Name Imran, meaning prosperity, population. 21. Name Majid, meaning glorious, noble. 22. Name Ayman, meaning blessed, lucky. 23. Name Saad, meaning happiness, prosperity. 24. Name Yasin, meaning rich, noble. 25. Name Kamal, meaning perfection, excellence. 26. Name Rashid, meaning rightly guided. 27. Name Jamil, meaning beautiful. 28. Name Fadi, meaning savior, redeemer. 29. Name Bassam, meaning smiling. 30. Name Zain, meaning beauty, grace. 31. Name Adel, meaning just, fair. 32. Name Marwan, meaning solid stone, strong. 33. Name Hisham, meaning generous, noble. 34. Name Rayyan, meaning luxuriant, rich. 35. Name Walid, meaning newborn, son. 36. Name Qasim, meaning distributor, divider. 37. Name Tamir, meaning date palm, fruitful. 38. Name Ihsan, meaning kindness, excellence. 39. Name Shadi, meaning singer, joyful. 40. Name Laith, meaning lion. 41. Name Muaz, meaning protected, refuge. 42. Name Hamid, meaning praiseworthy. 43. Name Fauzi, meaning victorious, successful. 44. Name Ghassan, meaning youthful, fresh. 45.
Name Samir, meaning companion, entertainer. 46. Name Rifat, meaning high, elevated. 47. Name Yunus, meaning dove, peaceful. 48. Name Zaki, meaning pure, intelligent. 49. Name Nur, meaning light, radiance. 50. Name Ihab, meaning gift, donation.